I'm here today with the two Dr. Safers in Taunton, Massachusetts. Jason, you did 2 CHROME cases today.
Yep.
This morning you did a mandibular arch and on a young patient or a female, and this afternoon you did a maxillary arch. It was pretty complicated. And so, you know, in your own words, what did you think of the CHROME system? You know, the workup from the time that you guys heard about it,
Sure.
to treatment planning it and then executing it, and the outcome that you got. It's a couple of.
No, I thought it was great. I've done other full arch implants before, and you know the predictability of this was great. It's convenient that we have the cone beam. We use our 3D scanner, had sent in everything, and you know going over the whole case, where the bone is, how much reduction you need. It was nice to plan everything from the restoration down, and it made everything a lot more predictable. You know, we knew where the implants were going to go. We knew exactly where we needed to be.
Mm-hmm.
And so yeah, it made for, you know, still some there's still always different things you encounter along the way, but
Right.
it made for everything was predictable and everything went great. So
Exactly. How was your experience with the surgery today?
great. Yeah, still exhausting, but
Yeah.
but it went really well, and I think we managed the patients really well, and
Excellent.
they came out really
Excellent.
happy.
The outcome was good.
I'm happy.
Excellent. Dr. Safer Senior, you kind of observed, you were in and out of the room.
I was,
What did
in
you
the
think of the
background a little
CHROME?
bit, but I was helping
Yeah.
assisting a bit. But I thought the CHROME system was great. As Jason had said, the predictability was great. When you see the end result, everything worked. I'd like to thank Thomas, because having
Yes,
him
Thomas
here
was the
was just the
Thank
best.
you.
I mean, he made us feel comfortable. He knows his stuff.
All little
Yeah,
tricks and pearls
all
along the
the
way,
little
just
tricks.
you know whenever you're using a different
It
system.
was
So
just
yeah.
he was just amazing. I have to say
Yeah.
that it was great having him here, and it was a great experience.
Right, and I think the
Life-changing.
patients had some periodontal disease. You cleared it up, and I think moving forward, you know, you had a predictable outcome with this by using CHROME. You know, it was a difficult case, and I think you know it came out easy because you followed the steps of the system.
yes, yeah, and
You
it's
know.
nice again with the digital planning and kind of knowing what you're
Getting
getting
into.
into
Yeah.
prior to the surgery,
Right.
which is
And
key.
it was pretty much right,
As
very
planned.
close to as planned. I mean,
Yeah.
we knew what was going to be coming, and
Yeah.
and we discussed it, and it was
Absolutely.
what we thought.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, listen, I appreciate you guys having me over. We
Our
appreciate
pleasure.
your business.
The pleasure is ours. Yeah.
We appreciate your business, and we look forward to a great relationship moving forward doing CHROME with you guys.
Sounds good to us.
Awesome. Thanks a
All right,
lot.
thanks so
Thank
much.
you.